Hi everyone, Shubho Navabarsho to all my viewers. Thanks to the cultural diversity of India, it's the time of the year when people can catch a glimpse of India's diverse cultures. Every region has a unique culture and traditions of celebrating the new year. The masses of the country celebrates the new year followed by both solar and lunar calendar system. Hindu calendar is basically a lunar calendar and is based on the cycles of the moon. In a purely lunar calendar like the Islamic calendar, months move forward by about 11 days every solar year. The eastern, northern, and southern parts of the country celebrate their first harvest festival of the year, Baisakhi, Bihu, Gudi Padwa, Poila Boishakh, Vishu, Ugadi, and Pudandu with vigor and fervor. Every year, the festivals fall on April 13 or 14 based on the Hindu or Sikh calendar. Here's a look at how people celebrate their New Years. Baisakhi, which is celebrated in Punjab. Baisakhi is the biggest harvest festival celebrated across entire North India. Baisakhi holds a special place in the land of five rivers, Punjab. On this day, Guru Gobind Singh, the 10th Guru of Sikhs, asked people to follow Sikhism in 1699 and the Khalsa community was formed. The northern states of Punjab, Haryana and parts of Delhi celebrate this day with much fun. People get together and perform Bhangra and Gidda on traditional folk songs and dhol. Men show off their Gatka skills, which is traditional form of martial arts of the Sikh. The Sikh community also observes it as the day of thanksgiving for abundant harvest and pray for future prosperity. Bohag Bihu, which is celebrated in northeastern states, also known as Rangali Bihu. Bohag Bihu also falls on the day of Baisakhi and Pudandu in Assam, celebrating the new harvest with lots of sweets shared among the family and friends with the exchange of more gifts. Bohag Bihu is celebrated for 3 days straight with many different traditions. Bihu dance is a form of celebration for the people. Gudi Padwa, which is celebrated in Maharashtra. Gudi Padwa is the first day of Chaitra month and marked as the new year in Maharashtra. A gudi, a beautiful arrangement of silk sari or cloth tied to stick with a lota on the top and then decorated with sweets and garlands made of neem and mango. The day symbolizes the victory of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj over his enemies and Salibahan's victory over the Sakas. Poila Boishakh, which is celebrated in West Bengal. Another state that celebrates a different new year is West Bengal. The Poila or Pohela Boishakh is the first day of the Boishakh, which is the Bengali New Year. You will witness cultural celebrations all over the state, with Bengalis going on a crazy shopping spree and musical shows. Shantiniketan is well known for its Navabarsho, which is New Year festivals. Vishu, which is celebrated in Kerala. Vishu festival marks the beginning of harvest in the bountiful land of Kerala. It is a festival full of lights and fireworks. The day starts with an arranging harvests, fruits, vegetables and seasonal flowers in front of a mirror. This arrangement is called the Vishu Kani. On this day, devotees also visit Sabarimala Ayappan temple and Guruvayur Krishna temple for prayers. Ugadi, which is celebrated in Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Ugadi or Yugadi is the New Year celebration of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. It is observed in these regions on the first day of the Hindu lunisolar calendar month of Chaitra. Traditional sweets and pachadi, sweet syrup made with raw mangoes and neem leaves, are served with the Ugadi meal. Ugadi is the festival of new beginnings. So people buy new clothes and eat lots of good food with friends and family. Putandu, which is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Putandu is being celebrated on April 14 in Tamil Nadu and Tamil dominated countries Sri Lanka and Mauritius. According to the Tamil calendar, Varusha Pidappu, Pudandu marks the first day of the first month, Chittirai. The celebrations of Pudandu designate to that of Vishu. The night before the auspicious day, a tray full of fruits, bitter leaves, gold ornaments, silver jewelry, money, cash, coins and flowers are put together in the prayer room for the Lord to view as the first thing. It is believed that the first view of these auspicious things brings happiness and prosperity for the rest of the year. Islamic New Year. The Islamic New Year starts on the first day of Muharram, which is the first month of the lunar Hijri calendar that is followed by Islam. The day also marks the migration of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina in 622 AD, and the journey was called Hijra or Hijri, and hence the name Hijri calendar. The new year is celebrated with sharing meals and prayers with the family. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.